I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
So I'm bullish because, look, we've been through a difficult couple of weeks. The traditional equity markets are sick, okay? I need people to understand how sick the traditional equity markets are. Jeff Ross probably understands this better as well as anyone. The breadth or the average stock in the NASDAQ, the small cap NASDAQ stocks have given it up by 60%, okay, this year. If you look at Jim Cramer's list of have to own stocks, they're like, it's a piece of garbage. And yet Bitcoin is hung in there in the face of a futures product that all the knuckleheads in the world are shorting Bitcoin as a hedge against their equity positions, okay? How do I know? Because I just know how much stupid money there is out there. And I know they need to short something because they're long all this other garbage that they say, well, I can't sell my other garbage, so I might as well short something and pretend it's a hedge. Let me tell you something. Bitcoin is a long volatility asset. And most of the fucking world has no clue what that even means, except I'm going to tell you. It means if you are hedging short vol assets, which are equities and credit, high yield bonds, investment grade bonds, and you're hedging those short vol assets by selling a long or shorting a long vol asset, you're inverted, buddy, and you're going to get crushed on the way in and crushed on the way out. And that's what the dumb money is doing in this market, because they are they're hedged and wedged, okay? They're in a fucking shit trade and they're trying to make that trade better by shorting something because there's an instrument out there called Bitcoin futures that they think is overpriced. They need to do some mathematics.